How to create an effect when a button on the Android interface is pressed instead of being dry without any expression like this. Let's follow the video. I will guide you in detail. We will create a custom drawable file with a ripple effect when the button is pressed. Open the Race folder, then right-click on the drawable item. Then select New, then select Drawable Resource File. Name the XML file ripple button default and set the root element for the XML file to a ripple. You set the target color of the click effect for the root element. For example, I will choose the target color as gray. Then add a child item element inside. Continue inside the item element. Add a shape element, which is rectangle. Then add the initial color before clicking through the Android color attribute. For example, I give white. And the radius of the curve of the cube through the Android radius attribute. For example, I give 20 dp. When finished, reformat the XML file to make it look nice. Then go to the themes.xml file. Find the style element of the buttons in the project. Link to the drawable effect file via the Android background attribute as I am demonstrating on the screen, and you are done. Finally, you build and run the application to test it. That's it. Are you satisfied? If you are not satisfied, you can continue to go back to the drawable effect file and edit it until you are satisfied. That's all for this video. If you find this programming tip useful, don't hesitate to give me a heart to cheer me up and follow me so you don't miss out on practical and completely free programming tutorial videos.